Do you want to create stunning YouTube videos for your niche without any design skills or hiring expensive video editors? Do you want to rank higher on YouTube and Google with optimized videos that drive traffic and sales? If you're like most marketers and small business owners, you know how hard it is to create engaging videos that stand out from the crowd. You have to spend hours researching your niche, finding the right keywords, writing scripts, recording voiceovers, editing videos, and uploading them to various platforms. And even then, you're not guaranteed to get any views or conversions. That's why we created NicheBlasta, the ultimate video creation tool for niche marketers. NicheBlasta is a Windows desktop software that uses artificial intelligence to generate high-quality videos for any niche in minutes. You don't need any technical skills or prior experience. Just enter your niche and keywords, and NicheBlasta and ChatGPT AI will do the rest. With NicheBlasta, you can create unlimited videos for any niche and purpose. You can choose from multiple video types from niche marketing, affiliate marketing, local marketing, or even high-quality video ads, and tweak them with your own branding and content. You can also add voiceovers and music with a few clicks. NicheBlasta will automatically optimize your videos for SEO and social media, so you can rank higher and get more views and clicks. So what are you waiting for? Try NicheBlasta today and see how easy it is to create amazing videos for your niche or business. Just visit the link in the description below and get instant access to this powerful software. Hurry up, this offer won't last long. Don't miss this opportunity to take your video marketing to the next level with NicheBlasta, powered by ChatGPT.